Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. In this 3-minute videos, I would like to discuss about Shaoxing cooking wine. A number of you have asked me, what is Shaoxing cooking wine? How does it differ from other type of cooking wine? Now, I have to tell you this story. When I was in China during a year, I worked there on my sabbatical, and I live in Shanghai, and my cousin's husband is a great cook. I remember in his kitchen, he always has a huge bottle of Shaoxing wine. It turned out that he mainly used that bottle of Shaoxing wine for drinking. Occasionally, particularly on a weekend, he would pour himself a glass. Now, Shaoxing cooking wine is frequently in China known as a yellow wine. Shaoxing is a town which in the southeastern part of China, are very close to Shanghai. And they're famous for making this wine. And first and foremost, this wine is used for drinking. And then later they become very popular in cooking as well. So I asked my cousin, how do you use this wine for cooking? Because I heard a lot of people use this wine for cooking as well. And he said to me, this wine is used mainly for marinated certain type of food, such as chicken. And that's a famous dish in Shanghai known as drunken chicken. You boil the chicken very lightly, and then you marinate the chicken in this wine. Another way to use this wine is to marinate a certain type of seafood, such as crabs, which is the most commonly used. And this, of course, also known as the drunken crab. Now, Shaoxing wine has a very unique flavor compared to other type of wine. It is a rice wine, and because it is fermented in a specific way with other ingredients that add to it during the fermentation, it gives the wine that special flavor. Now today, Shaoxing wine is very popular in the United States. Many cooks use Shaoxing wine in their cooking. Cooking with wine is a very challenging approach because wine has very subtle flavor. And it depends on when you add the wine, it will have great impact on the outcome of the flavor. If you add wine too early, you probably will not detect the wine flavor at all because wine flavor tends to be very mild and subtle. Depending on the other flavoring agent that you use, it can be easily covered up. To use Shaoxing wine effectively, I have learned is that you have to add the wine way at the end of the cooking process. Now, after you finish stir frying, the dish is done, you turn off the heat, and then you add the wine. In this case, not only you will taste the flavor of the wine, but more importantly, you will taste the alcohol in the dish. And this makes the dish with that unique flavor that will only find when you have alcohol in the wine. So this is the approach that most people take. And if you would like to give that a try, make sure you try a different amount and find the right amount that you like. And you're most likely to find it is also quite different in different kind of dishes. Please write to me at walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding this video or any other videos, and I will answer you promptly. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine. If you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.